One of the best ways to save time as a Whatnot seller is to set up a shipping profile. So let's walk through how to do that in this video. Shipping profiles are a handy way to save packaging weights and bundling preferences to use on your most commonly listed products, saving you time. To create a new shipping profile, navigate to your Seller Hub in the Whatnot mobile app. Next, tap the Lines menu in the upper right. Tap Shipping, and then Shipping Profiles. Now, tap the plus icon in the upper right. Name your profile. Add the weight of your item you'll be shipping frequently. And toggle the bundle options as necessary. For example, if you frequently ship fragile glass figures that need to be packaged individually in order not to break, you can set the toggle to set the maximum number of items to put into one package to be on, and enter 1 as the maximum number of items in one box. Now the next time you list your glass figure, you'll have the shipping profile ready to go. Want to learn more? We have detailed articles in our Help Center that cover our shipping tools in depth. For even more helpful info on shipping, check out our Seller Academy.